Hello everybody, welcome to Take It Easy. PDF is a very popular file format. In this video, I will tell you how you can convert any file into PDF. If you are using Windows 10, you can do it without installing any special software. You can also save any web page as PDF. If you want to use a third-party software because you may not be using Windows 10 or for some other reason, you can do that. And there are many softwares available which I will tell you. So let's get started. If you end up liking this video, hit the like button, it means a lot. If you are not already subscribed, consider subscribing, it's free. At first, if you are using Windows 10, open Command or Run and type optional features without any spaces. Then press enter. Then just make sure that the checkbox that says Microsoft Print to PDF is checked. If it is not checked, check it and click OK. If you are not using Windows 10 or for any other reason, if third-party software is the thing that you need, there are many options available. In this video, we are going to use the software named Bullzip PDF Printer. So let me just download and install the same. Check the video description for the links to some popular third-party softwares. We will now start converting different file formats into PDF, starting with an image or picture. Open the picture you want to convert to PDF and then click on the print button or press Ctrl+P. Then if you are in Windows 10, select the virtual printer, Microsoft Print to PDF as the printer or the Bullzip alternative otherwise. Let's use Microsoft Print to PDF this time, and we will check out the alternative by Bullzip in the next step. Change any print setting that you want to, then click on print. Then browse and select the location where you want to save your PDF. Enter a file name for the PDF, then click save, and that's it. The picture has been converted to PDF and you can check it out. Now we will check how we can convert a simple text file into PDF. After opening the file and editing if you need to, click on File then Print. Select the third-party PDF printer from Bullzip, change print settings if you need to, then follow the same steps as before. Click on the print button, select the location, enter a file name, and then click on the save button. There it is. You have got a PDF version of your text file. It is very easy in the newer versions of Microsoft Office to save any Word, Excel or PowerPoint file as PDF. Just go to the Save As menu and choose PDF from File Type and then save the file as you usually do. If your version of MS Office does not have this feature or you use some other Office package that does not have this feature, just use the technique we discussed earlier. Print the file using Microsoft Print to PDF or Bullzip PDF printer. Talking about saving any web page as PDF, the most popular web browser Google Chrome has an inbuilt PDF printer named Save As PDF. So you can convert any web page to PDF. In other browsers like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, you have to print the page using Microsoft Print to PDF or Bullzip PDF printer. However, I found the Save As PDF in Opera to generate the most good quality and accurate results. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button, it inspires me a lot. If you have any queries or suggestions, just post them in the comment section below. Do share the video because it may be helpful for others as well. And most importantly, if you have not subscribed, do hit the red subscribe button down there to subscribe to Take It Easy. It's free. You can also hit the round channel icon somewhere on the screen to subscribe to Take It Easy. Hit the bell icon to keep yourself notified for the future videos. That's it for this video. Have a great time. Bye, and I will see you in the next video.